The weather is nice today. Oh no.
Hello?
Hello? Are you okay?
No, we are hungry.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
That is a nice and beautiful name. Where is his mother?
She died 2 years ago in a road accident.
Oh no. Tell me about your life.
I miss my mother.
Do you have a job?
No, I cannot find work. I want to work for some money to educate my boy.
Maybe I can help you. I can find a job for you to earn some money.
Really?
Yes. I know a general store owner.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come with me.
The lights are beautiful.
Yes. The city is beautiful at night.
This place looks nice.
My friend owns this store. My friend owns this store.
Daddy, I am scared.
Everything will be okay. Hello. Hello, Emily.
He needs a job. He needs a job.
What work can you do? I can clean and carry boxes. You can start tomorrow. Really? Thank you so much.
Baba has a job!
And now, you need a school.
School. But my daddy has no money.
But school is expensive.
Do not worry about that. Yes. Every child needs education. You deserve this chance.
I want to learn English and mathematics. Ha 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 ha.
That is wonderful! This is your new beginning. Welcome to our school. Education can change your life.
I will study very hard.
Thank you for helping him.
Ha! This school is beautiful.
Never stop believing in yourself.
Thank you, Emily.
You are like family now.
My son finally has hope. You changed our lives.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Please subscribe to Emily.